That's what she's looking at, talking to. Briella. Hi, baby. Hi. Not as interesting as the fan, huh? Hi. You sure are a happy baby. And everybody says getting shots makes babies grumpy. Yeah, not you. Choke on your own spit a little bit? Are you choking on your own spit? I'm glad you think it's funny. Hey, Briella. Hi. Hi. Just having a good time flailing around, huh? Yeah. See if we can get you to roll over. What do you think? All right. All right, roll over, baby. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. I think she's gonna roll that way if she goes. Come on, you can do it. You did it about an hour ago. Sounds like you got some spit up in there, huh? Aw, don't give up. There you go. Get yourself back up and try again. It's a lot of work, huh? And it's almost bedtime. You can do it. Come on, little girl. Come on, I help ya. Here, get you this. Get your hands propped under ya. There you go. No? All right.